What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the camera not focusing issue on your owner smartphone. So first of all, to fix this issue, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, again click on this apps option and then tap on camera. Now here you will see a force stop option, so tap on this option and from the pop-up again tap on force stop to confirm, and after that your camera will start working properly. But if you are still facing the focusing issue, then the next solution is reset camera settings. So for that, open camera. Now click on the settings icon on the top right corner and then scroll down to the end and click on restore defaults. Now tap on OK from the pop-up to confirm and then tap on allow. So after doing this, the camera focusing issue will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.